We now come down to the Rich Friends Van Badiola final. Can we get an ultra low 42-second pass? We'll see. Rich Friends. Here we go. I'm just checking.
Didn't take a lot to get that thing over.
We got all the action on videotape today. We'll take it back, we'll cut it down, and you will see a wide variety of shots on sprintboat.cc. Video. That's still. Game. Oh, what the stuff? Oh, what the stuff? So that means, in the scenario that we had before, that if Ben Badiola comes out and pushes it real hard, gets up on the beach, does a finish, he will pick up on the wind due to the fact he has the faster of the two times from the semifinals. We have one more pass to go. But, kids, for your listening and dancing enjoyment, Ben Badiola is not going to coast. Not going to coast. Hey, Ben, I'm talking to you, Ben. We want to see 41 seconds. 41. All right, Ben's sitting at a 42.75. We're going to shave 3/4 of a second off of it, even if he has to cut one of the islands and get some air. Woohoo! Which, by the way, we're working on a boat. Apparently, the boat that we've got in Marsing right now is heavily reinforced. We have an airboat. This is a boat that we're going to come launching off the starting line and hit one of the islands and roll it purposely. It's a stunt boat.
Cool.
Happens to have my name on it. That scares me. That scares me.